I have started the recording. Yeah. You see my screen, right? So let's type the code. Let's create the CSS style.css. Import it. We can say simple media query demo. Simple media queries demo. So here we can say width. Sorry, I think we didn't imported it. Link rel css style.css. Now let's write a body. We need to give a color to the body. Background color light gray, light blue. Okay, no problem. Then now how do you change as per the screen width? How do you change as per the screen width? That's what the media query is. At media, can you see? At media screen, we are working with the screen, and max width, max width colon 767 pixel. This is for the mobile screen, media query for the mobile screen. Then again, you'll get these pixel values on the internet. Okay, that is 768 pixel. One more, and max width 1034. Max width 1034. This is for a tablet. This is for what? Tablet. And then I will copy this one, and if minimum width 1024. Say that again. For the tablet, yes, minimum. Yeah, here minimum. Sorry, minimum this much and maximum this much. 760 means minimum this should be there. Minimum width should be 768 pixel and maximum width 1023. And maximum width 1023. Now, natural body color is what? Light blue. Let's run this thing. Reveal in Finder. Can you see light blue natural color? Now let's change, inspect it. Look at these things. 767. Presently we didn't write anything, but we need to change the color. Can you see? You are saying that if feature is screen and width is this, if you go here, see here, if media type is screen and feature is width, media type is screen and max width is 767, then change the color. We can say red. Deliberately I am using dark colors, green and blue. And what? Blue. Refresh it, and can you see it is blue? I will make a responsive over here. Now see, look at the width changing over here. Can you see? Green Okay, where is a blue? A minimum, okay, px is missing. Px is missing over here. Media query for the computer screen. 102 px and above. If minimum 102 px and above, see here, blue. If minimum 768 pixel and less than 1023. Now go here, you can see minimum 76 pixel and less than that, that's why it is green, and it's red. So you have selected 3 different style sheets. What I'm saying, you have selected 3 different style sheets, correct, which is based on media queries. 3 different style sheets which are based on the media queries. So this first exercise will explain how to work with the media queries. This first style sheet will explain you how to work with what? Media queries. Any question? Any style, whatever properties you want to write over here, all that properties you can write, no problem. Okay, let's do another example just to clarify you. New file, and we can say image also. Yes, you can change the image also. 3 images based on device sizes. Texts or change txt dot html, and here chtxt dot css, html5, change text, and link rel css ch text. So what I want to do, there is what? Okay, dot css. Now what we need to do, if it is a mobile screen, we need to show this is the mobile screen. Text should be written at the center. This is the mobile screen. So there would be one div, or there would be one paragraph, or 3 h1s I can write, and here I can say mobile device. Here I can say tablet device or mobile screen, tablet screen, and computer screen. Now if I open this, can you see mobile screen, tablet screen, computer screen? But what I want to do, I want to do it only one at a time, because your thing is not going, your web page is not going to open on 3 devices at a time. Either it can be on a mobile, or it can be on a tablet, or it can be on a computer. So how to do this thing? Please let me know. Think. Think and tell me.
Hello?
Yeah.
Your voice is good.
Say that again.
Your voice is good.
My voice is not clear.
Now it's good.
Okay. How do you do this thing? How do you show one H1 at a time? And that too based on the screen. How do you do that?
Same as a media query.
Okay, what media query you will write?
And typing.
What media query? What things you need to do over here?
Type.
Okay, and which CSS properties you will use? If it is on the mobile, so presently what's happening? It is appearing on all three. Can you see? But if I am changing to the mobile, it should show only mobile. So this code would be as it is. Everything would be as it is. But there won't be body background color. Something else you need to write over here. My question is that what you should write inside this? Not practicing. You need to tell me the CSS properties. You need to revise the things.
So you can apply that or not?
You can tell me whatever you can tell me, I will do that. Hello?
Yes, sir. Um,
No? Okay. See now, I will assign ID is equals to MBL mobile, ID TBT tablet, ID comp. Now whenever it is the mobile screen, media query for all mobile screens. So over here we can say hash MBL hash MBL hash MBL visibility visible and other three should be invisible. TBT COMP TBT visibility hidden. So I am expecting this property, just name of the property visibility from your end, but you didn't answer this. For the tablet screens, this is visible and rest two are hidden. I was expecting the visible, just name visibility property. You are lagging in practice. Visible. Refresh it. Can you see mobile screen? Computer screen. This is the computer screen. Tablet screen. Can you see the typical thing which is related to display block, display property also we have seen. Visibility means element is there, correct? Element is there. You are losing just appearance. So here we can say display block, and you can comment that display. You can use either, but there is a significant difference between visibility and display. Display removes the element from the structure. Display none means what? It removes the element. Now see here, for the tablet, this display none, display none, display none, display none, and display block for the tablet display block, and here for the computer screen display block. So earlier what was happening? Can you see? Can you see? Change of the text is getting changed, right? Mobile, tablet and computer, correct? The location or the position is getting changed. But I don't want to do that thing. Can you see now? Computer screen, mobile screen, tablet screen, right? See here, computer screen, tablet screen, mobile screen. So here I have shown you. So either you can use, not the both, you can use either this or this, correct? Hello? 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 Am I audible? You are not audible. You are not audible. Hello? Yeah. You there or not? Okay. Can you see that? So here you can use either visibility or display, correct? Either visibility or display, not the both. But for example, I have shown you this thing. Now, let me push this much code, and we can say, responsive demos. So tomorrow I am going to start with a typical layout, how we will make layout responsive, where we will use the flex box. Okay? So that's it for a day. I was intended to cover this much today. Okay? Am I audible or not? You can't see my screen? Okay, fine. Let's call it for a day. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, thank you.